Martin said, my place and my place. It's our place and our place. Love and respect. Even before I say the greetings, I'm going to tell you about this man. Not about where my chief. This is not just my friend. This is my best friend. From 1991, 7th grade, Kingston College. And this man apart. So when I said I give you a man, I am giving you the best man I know to represent East Rural St. Andrew. Respect, Patrick Peter. I want to also say, anything you want to do for me, make sure you do. Wait, that might be. Don't you say she never married to me? So she never married. No, forever food. I want to say a special good night to the whole heap of conference and the platform. Especially the leader of the People's National Party. All the council candidates, this is some of our friends from Thailand, some of our friends from St. Catherine, Kingston, Albany, people who have run for the People's National Party. Respect and thanks for you. The chairman, the former chairman, the former deputy chairman, everybody there, respect and love. Everybody there. I said to you that when I was here as a member of parliament, all the plans that I had came to a group called the Forward and Forward Group. That included my friends from KC and UAs, and we used to plan what we would do. The chairman of the Forward, the Forward Group, was one Patrick Peter. So everything that we did, he was in the middle of planning and executing on our behalf.
Malcolm in the middle.
And when we were running, he was in charge of the entire division. So I said to him, once he decided to run, that I cannot be in charge of a division. Because my place.
My place and my place.
So I am the campaign manager of Patrick Peter King. In Daviston, in Downtown, in Kenton, in Boulder, and works in Harvard. So when you see me, don't wonder what, and don't wonder why. And they say that Miss Wholeness is a big tree. So I am going to give you a small axe. Now notice, I never said a small axe. I'm going to ask you to remember what he did and what she stopped in his urine. That is not even my talk, it's a virgin named Emin Stark. I said I'm borrowed that talk because I have to ask. You remember when we had the training school for children to read? Or you remember mommy and me when the mother and the child would come to the Jesus class so that the mother could train the child? I ask you to remember. You remember when we carried 400 children to live at the University of the West Indies for 3 weeks?
going. Listen.
Was the home of the trade to one plan that in 20 years there should be 1 degree in every single household in this rural South Africa. I'm going to ask you to remember the bosses of people that leave out of this constituency to pre-university and how many of them are still now practicing doctors and lawyers because and I'm going to ask you to remember she's not those.
Humbly yourself. Me and one of them.
Where those persons who never get subjects in university could go to the different schools in every division for 2 subjects every single year. Who do maths, who do POV, who do English, and all of that has been stopped. I'm going to ask you, a small ass,
Yo, man, YouTuber here.
to remember when we had bar school training and all the people know. I went to a restaurant the other day and somebody said, you don't remember me. I got this certificate from bar school that you had.
You didn't even know where the school was.
This was a man that was central to all those plans. I ask that you remember the best community center that has ever been built in the history of Jamaica with solar panels, with a library already on board, with 60 computers, with AC, with gazebo, with lawn, with palm tree, and as soon as she won it was closed. When we were building computer centers, no COVID was around. And even in COVID, she did not open the computer center. I ask that you remember that they took it and turned it into a police station. The computer center.
One bag of guns.
I'm going to ask Taylorland to remember that they came and said that nobody should live in Taylorland. That the first time Taylorland should road is being bringing. And Taylorland should remember that when we get road, we never give PMP style alone. We gave PMP and JLP side. And we never tell nobody to paint PMP on a JLP wall, which was the reason for the start of the war in Taylorland. Let us ask. Wanna remember a road named Dirt Road? Show me a black son, I don't know me, but this man and I was measuring what was called Dirt Road because it was only dirt. We paved Dirt Road.
Clown, be a son.
Dirt Road mash up. I ask you
General,
what she has done.
you been the bridge of Kentire.
I'm going to ask Kentire
The bridge of Kentire.
to remember
The bridge of
that
Kentire.
as soon as we start shoe,
The bridge of
people
Kentire.
just walk the
Around to them.
far from the yard because they couldn't cross the bridge.
No, nobody can cross.
If you cross the bridge
The man
in
can
those
cross
times,
it.
your life gone in a sorrow.
Who was them? I'm not seeing you.
We built that bridge in them. So I ask you
Look him good, yeah?
In 10th grade, me and him do RE. I get 94. He went to the teacher and he never stopped until he get 94 and a half. He had to be better. So I know that what I did was 94. But what he will do will be 94 and a half. You're from 10th grade. I saw him stay.
Come talk to me.
That's why when you say about the issue, I said, no, you want it. You want better me. He wants to be better for Meadowbrook. Who knows that I believe in the most road we have ever do in Meadowbrook. He wants to be better for Bayshore. Who knew that when we built that beautiful park and shore, it has been left
Go one side, man.
untouched.
You wanna talk here?
But because they don't tell people, deserve nothing more than a donkey. Not even the goats.
Yo, I done say over there. I done say over there.
Because
Look what I to me.
when the lady came for the
I wanna
donkey,
scare this girl from there.
she also said that she carried her children every day to the farm. And the Prime Minister never asked how them in their school.
Alright? Tell them what a big old table I can't tell you now.
So he said he give her a donkey.
Two now, one of them two.
And then he lent her 1 year of scholarship for some children who are 5 years. He never lent her a donkey and give them education.
I be a don't say pin that kid. I mean, they call it body of A-level now. A-level, body gonna
No subject. So what I'm saying to you, Michael, this man is a lawyer extraordinary. This man is a friend and a best friend of mine. So much so that me out here and put up stage for this man. What you are getting might not be known to you now, but it will never be forgotten by what he's about to do for you. If you think I can forget what you did for me, you're right. I will never forget. Remember when we came and said we couldn't win? We were 7 points behind. Remember when you walked with me with bug juice and cheese sticks? Remember when we wait on Portia Simpson from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m.? Remember the night PMP and 41 I would never gave up until Crawford come in for 42. We did it already and we will do it again. We did it. Bulbe. You remember what you did. You remember the crying, the walking, the cussing, the bawling. You remember when they blocked the road power out of Bulbe.